Hello everyone, I'm Tom Forsyth and I teach Tai Chi Chuan for everyone at taichiclass.org. Today, I'm going to show you how Tai Chi engages and strengthens your complete core for the way you live. The foundation of Tai Chi Chuan, which just means primary energy or core essence, and then boxing, is your awareness of having a balanced, naturally upright posture with a focus on moving from your dantian. And dantian is just the Chinese word for your center. Now, I have some more detailed videos on posture that you might want to check out on YouTube. Here, I'm just going to ask you to get into a relaxed standing position. Feel yourself upright. Imagine a string rooting you to the ground, running up along your spine, through your head, and then feel that string emerge out of the crown of your head so you feel suspended from the sky. Now, this posture itself improves everything about the way your body relies on your entire midsection. Stay in your upright, balanced stance while I show you a few Tai Chi moves that engage your complete core, from your abdomen to your back and all the muscles in and around your midsection. All right? So I'm going to start with brush knee push step. Don't worry about trying to do this with me. In fact, I really prefer that you don't, because I'm going to do some things that look very easy, but some things may not. And a lot of what you do in Tai Chi is about safe movement. And if you just try to do it without the safety, it might not be very good for you. So you should be able to see how moving slowly and in balance, when I raise this foot and turn, I'm engaging my abdomen. And then when I turn, I have to engage my lateral muscles. And to stay upright, I have to use my back muscles. So just the very action of these moves, simple as they may appear, engages your core, both forward and backward. So here I'm moving backward, and I have to stretch and engage these muscles moving in this backward position. Very deliberate, very controlled, very safe. You might have heard that this exercise is good for your core, this exercise is bad for your core, your body type is important for knowing which exercises you can do. Not with Tai Chi, because in Tai Chi, it's good for people of all fitness levels. As, you know, if you don't have great flexibility, then you can make really small moves. And you can make more than one move to get around a circle. It really does emphasize safe movement. And as I said, I'm not teaching it now, so I'm not going to go into all the details of the safety. But if you have movement restrictions and some fitness issues, this small movement will engage your core because it's the limit of your movement. If you're somebody who's really fit and really strong, you can do this in a way that is still guaranteed to engage the full complement of your core. I'm going to show you. I tend to do it with this kind of a knee flex, and that's really the way you see most people doing the Sun style. But there's no reason, and I sometimes do if I want a particularly difficult workout, I will take this kind of a knee flex, this deep knee flex, almost horizontal, and maintain my balance and have lots of arm movement. But you have to keep it through all the moves if you decide to do it. And that's why it becomes so powerful. You always want to make sure that your knees are within your toe line, and that requires sitting back farther. Take a deeper flex. Okay, so you can see that if you want more engagement, deeper knee flex. Tai Chi will work to engage your core regardless of your fitness level. If you do something like needles at the bottom of the sea, there, you're bending, but you have to hold it. Your back has to be engaged to keep yourself in your spine in alignment. Let's say you want to do some torquing. Look at this. Okay? Look at that. Abdomen, laterals. Okay? Stretching back here, pulling here. Back has to be turning and engaging. All right? Look at that. These are all part of the form. It's really, also stretches out your knee, but your abdomen, your sides, your back, fully engaged as you go through these motions. My Chinese master used to insist that these Tai Chi moves were very natural. At first, I didn't get that. They seemed pretty foreign to me because I wasn't used to moving from my center. And I didn't really think of my body as a whole. It was more a bunch of component parts. But now I feel it. Now the moves are natural to me. And they're just not normal for so many of us who are divorced from the natural world. There's a big difference between what's natural and what's normal. A lot of what we have going on that is making our core so weak is that we're not living in a natural way. And that's why I think Tai Chi will work really well for so many people. A lot of the stuff I've seen on core strength, it takes place on the ground. They're floor exercises. Well, I don't know about you, but I don't do planks much in my life, but I do walk down the hall. I do bend over to reach for things. And if I can do that in a way that engages my core correctly, then I'm going to move safely while toning myself day in, day out, moment by moment. All right? So, I hope you're able to feel how Tai Chi Chuan will help you build your core strength in a dynamic, real-world way. And I'm sure you saw that it engages a lot more than your core. Tai Chi is a full-body workout that also completely focuses your mind. So, please come on a Tai Chi journey with me at taichiclass.org. It's a lot of fun. It'll change your life. Thanks for watching.